Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will explain the easy method to get a Canadian passport step by step. First, choose the passport length you want and the fee you will pay. Choose 5 years for 20 or 10 years for 60. Next, confirm you are a Canadian citizen with a birth certificate or citizenship card copy. Gather 2 passport photos and 1 piece of government ID before you apply. Plan for standard processing of about 10 to 20 business days by mail. Assemble all required documents carefully to avoid delays or rejection. Provide a Canadian birth certificate or citizenship card as proof of citizenship. Include 1 government photo ID, such as a driver's license with current address. Submit 2 identical passport photos, sized 50 mm by 70 mm with a plain light background. Ask a guarantor to sign your application and list 2 references with full names and contact numbers. If your name changed, include certified name change documents with your choose whether to apply online or complete a paper application for submission. Pay the fee using credit card, debit, or certified check when you submit. Submit your completed application in person at a Service Canada office or mail it with track shipping. Keep a copy of everything and note your tracking or receipt number. Use online tracking to monitor status and expect standard delivery to your address when processing finishes. If you need faster travel processing, request urgent service for 2 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.